Pasadito de verga.
Yeah, I don't know what's under there.
Just put a cover right there.
There you go. See, you know everything. Obviously the wood soffit got to be replaced. I'm changing all the windows.
Okay.
You feel me?
Yes, sir.
And
and all of them.
see what now?
And the basement too, on your windows.
Yeah, we're gonna put the hopper windows in the basement. Obviously all the windows.
Get rid of it.
The vines got to go. In the windows. So you counting them? Is this fixable? The garage. Think so.
Have to replace it.
Rebuild it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll knock it down and leave a good parking lot.
That would be a good idea. How much to knock it down and haul it away?
Like 3,000.
3,000. Let me see. Hold on.
Everything, downstairs, people, everything. And this one they charge more because they charge more to dump it.
Yeah, it's leaning and everything. Yeah, probably just tear this down. Yeah, tear it down, bro. 3,000, you say?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, this back thing right here.
And we gotta paint all this back.
Yeah, the back.
Porch.
Yeah, a porch. I was gonna say build a porch right there. How big? It don't have to be big at all. Just enough to get somebody, walk upstairs.
Like 6 by 8.
Yeah, basically the same size you built on Wade. That's a good size.
It's 8 by 8.
Yeah. I don't know what's up with this. I'm gonna have somebody do the electrical. So you ain't gotta worry about that. I think these windows are already new. I'm not sure. And on the side, I'm gonna have somebody cut this tree. You ain't gotta worry about that. On the side, it's like something falling down. I can't really see.
All this yard is yours, or that's just saying is yours?
To the gate.
Because it's gonna happen the same thing on Wade.
What you mean? No. This is to the gate. The gate is the yard. You see the gate that's around it? I mean, if not, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'm gonna find out for sure though, before
Before you close?
Well, no, before you start working. Let's go inside. Okay. So we could just.
You could do a room.
I'm gonna tell you now. Yeah, I'm gonna do a room right here and a room right here.
Yes.
2 rooms, and that's really the only ones that's gonna be adding walls. And then in the basement, I want to do 2 rooms.
Okay. And then basically this is a room.
These just gonna stay the same. Everything else gonna stay the same except for this. I wanna hold on. I can't see nothing. Let me get my light. Okay, so see in here, the bathroom. I do not want the bathroom like coming off the kitchen. So I want the this wall closed up, and then I want somehow to have a door coming from that side.
What you could do?
What?
You could do this part of the kitchen right here. This is the kitchen, and then over here you could do a room, and that way this is gonna be the bathroom, and we could bring this part right here. We could open it, or we could have a hallway
To the bathroom?
Yeah, and to the because this wall is gonna be like right here.
Yeah, it'll just be a smaller kitchen.
And
that's cool. I mean, it don't have to be a big kitchen. Yeah. But yeah, you put a wall right there. It looked like they took the wall down from there. So, you know what I mean? In the basement, I'll show you what I'm talking about.
You can build 3 rooms over here.
You sure?
Yeah.
Show me 3. Huge. I see 2.
No, I see 3.
Okay, well you see 3. I agree with you.
Because you know why?
Well, remember I'm putting a bathroom down here too.
Because look, all this space you got over here.
Okay, hold on.
You see that big space over there?
Oh yeah, that's a room. You're right.
So basically, if we throw a wall from here, we got 2 rooms. 1, 2. And then this one, we box them. That way it doesn't look too ugly. And that way over here, and this corner over here, we make another room.
Okay, so this is how I wanted it to do. The hall. I wanted this a wall to go through this whole side because this side is taller. You feel me?
Yeah.
That side over there is short, so I don't even want people walking over there. So I want the hallway to like to basically come this way. Boom. Well, hold on. That's not gonna work.
No,
that's not gonna work. You're right.
I got you. I understand what you want. We can put the door there and then bring this straight wall from here, shoot it here and here. So over here we're gonna have two big bedrooms.
Right.
2 bedrooms, or if you want a bathroom, we could install the bathroom over there in the corner, and then our 2 bedrooms over here, and then another one over here in this corner.
Well, that's where the water meter's at.
It don't matter.
You don't? No. You sure?
We're gonna box it. So I see 2 big rooms over here with a bathroom, and then over here this area, you could get those coin machines for the.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the coin laundry. Yeah. Exactly. I'm put
See,
all a line all
see,
the way. Yeah.
I want you to be more rich than what you are.
He said more rich.
So you put those coin machines here. You can either do 2 washers and 2 dryers.
Right.
That way, if
Right.
2 people they can wash at the same time.
You think that works? No, it's rusted. I'll get rid of it.
The what?
Never mind. I'm gonna get a new one. It doesn't
Okay.
matter. I'm gonna get new furnace, new hot water tank.
So let's. So we talking about 2,000.
They got like these wood beams.
You're
Right
gonna
here.
be making like, I would say like $4,000 a month.
Think so?
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm charging $500 a room.
Of course.
Right. So when you
And
put
then-
3 down here, it's 4 upstairs,
And
and
then
then
with the coin machines, you
Four,
be
that's
making
7.
that money, man.
yeah.
That's
What's
what
up,
he-
big dog?
So-
What's up?
This nigga wearing new outfits. And Look
Yeah,
at
this
him.
on yesterday. What are you talking about?
Oh,
you
you
said
back
the same
in, you
yesterday?
back in D-boy mode.
The same shit, yes.
You do. Jerry said he can put 3 rooms down here. I think that's what.
This is one.
I think that's what.
What is this? This is
That's a room. Yeah, 2. And he said 1 or 2 over there.
1, 2, and then we can build another one over here. 3.
And then I need a bathroom
That's
down here.
This one. No, you can't because that you gotta go in this door right here. So yeah, because you got the washer and dryer go over here, so you can't put them right here.
Right, but what I was gonna ask, man, you see how the floor is bubbled up or coming up?
No, that's normal.
You think it's cool? Just put some epoxy on the floor.
Yeah.
Epoxy it.
Doesn't matter. Nothing matter if he rents.
I'm just saying, a bed ain't gonna be able to go there. It's gonna
Of
be
course,
uneven.
No, it would.
It's gonna be uneven. It's gonna be
We
moving.
can rent the machine to grind that piece
Or
of
you can
concrete.
just
make
pour
it
some
even.
cement.
Or pour some cement where he's standing right there.
You worry about the wrong thing.
Man, that's
the
not-
bed ain't gonna go here no way.
Bro, listen to me.
Bed not gonna go here no way. This would have been ideal, but you gotta get into a door. Oh, unless you just bring it off of here. You bring it off of here, and then bring up that wood beam and come up this side. That's gonna be really small.
Yeah, we coming way over here, bro. We getting big rooms for the people. No,
Oh,
I'm just joking.
okay, so you gonna make it.
Just stop right here, probably.
I mean, you can try whatever you wanna try.
You right? We can try it. I'll know if they don't agree. I can. This look new, don't it? That look new.
Beautiful.
You calculating, right? You get the steps too.
Yes,
All new steps, bro. I ain't trying to have nobody falling. New doors, new windows. The steps this way.
reset lights.
Yeah, recess. I don't want no regular lights. Actually, I want the ones
Look, we got
That-
the wood there for the porch.
that come on when you walk. The motion lights.
Oh,
They ain't as bright though.
They not. Well, it can be. I'm sure they got bright ones. I don't know, but the upstairs is pretty simple.
where? How do you get upstairs?
This is a 1x6 right here.
I know you could use that, but he cut it the phone. He said it wasn't like that. It expanded.
What kind of shit you gotta go through the bathroom?
That's
to
what
go
I
upstairs?
said. It's weird. And this
No,
bathroom
you
is.
don't gotta go to the bathroom. You come around here.
Well, yeah, you can come around there too. I forgot about that. That still look weird. That's a narrow little hallway. Can't get no furniture through here.
You only putting twin size beds in a little dresser.
Yeah, dresser. You can get a bed through here, bro.
No.
A twin size bed, yeah, you can get a full. You can get a queen through here.
This can go, Jerry. You can knock all this down and just
that,
put a
that can go.
put a wall here.
Anthony, you got a good project over here.
Why you say that?
You can make this some big rooms over here.
I was just gonna do one room.
Yeah, but we already talked about how you can widen it up.
Yeah, but that's a lot of work.
We
It is
can
a
do
lot
some
of
knit
work.
walls.
I'm trying to keep it under budget.
We can do some knit walls and then demo all these walls. All of it.
I mean,
But I'm gonna tell you.
hold on. So you can do what?
The knit wall.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
This shit looks like the paint, some shit like that.
So you can take these walls down and then just make it look like
But it's only one window.
A-frame. Exactly.
It's only
What
one
about this
window.
window?
Oh, but
Well, you can't get to that window.
Yeah, no, but that's still a good window.
Can you add a window?
No, you don't want to do all that.
I don't want to do all that. Ain't no windows on the other side of these walls?
No.
No.
I seen some outside though. That was covered with black plastic. Let me
Yes,
see.
no, well,
If we do the
all you
knit
gotta do
wall,
is keep it in crawl space.
Hold on, let me see. I ain't know I ain't crazy.
Ain't no windows up
Oh, you can't put no room over there, Jerry.
no,
Look at
I'm
that
saying,
big,
like to make
that,
this bigger
that pipe or whatever that is. What is that?
for the furnace.
I mean, you can only come out, only go back like about a foot or two.
Like
From
3 feet.
You could go 4 foot and 4 foot. Make a
This size better. And you could easily put a skylight in there. But the window is right here, but that's a stairway.
It's just you gotta
It had to be
close all
one.
that up to
And it just had to be one big little apartment up here. $800 a month. Yeah, but if you just make it a walls, less stuff to worry about.
No, it could be storage.
That's true. It could be storage. So this
No, I
close
think-
this up though.
That one, close that wall, but that has to go.
That's what I was saying. Get rid of all this.
Yeah, you know why?
I don't.
For when they bring their furniture, they have
Yeah,
more
you
stuff
have more
into
room. Right.
Yeah.
This wall, this door
then
right here,
over here, it's
close
still a
this
door.
Close this up.
Yeah, block it.
Door or yeah, this will be a door. This
And you
hallway.
know what? Anthony, you could block that door and open it here.
Put a door there,
Yeah. And that way, this door will block this one over here.
or you could just put a door here. And you ain't gotta put a door over there.
And they have a closet over here to put some junk.
You can just put the door right here. I'm just saying. That way they ain't got no. It's just them. Whoever going upstairs, they don't even want to access it. If you get what I'm saying. Or you can just put the wall here, Jerry. Let me see. Let me think here. The wall right here, Jerry. And then enclose it. That way only the people. Nah, because then you ain't gonna be able to move nothing when you walk in. So yeah, the door can go over there. Brad. Nothing. Oh, I gotta. What the camera?
There's still no what's it called?
What? Power?
Yeah.
That's what he's gonna do.
Uh,
Yeah. It's gonna be a wall right here. It goes all the way here. So now they put a lighter or whatever right here.
What, you want to make it work here?
Yeah, but no, I just need you to do the electrical. I'm just telling you, it's gonna be a wall here, so you probably put the plug or a light or something right here.
Oh, is this floor nothing up there?
Yeah, that's it too.
You want to right with everywhere here or the
Just a light here, light goes right down there, probably a light over here.
one right here?
I need a switch. Oh, one switch. Okay, so you got switches,
Yeah, because it's the switch.
but they're not connected. There's no wires.
Okay. They need to put a new wire.
Yeah, all the wires they stole them.
Yeah, electric wire. So light here, light there.
You can do all these walls are getting tore down.
Oh, you want to throw it down?
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tear them down. So we gotta worry about it.
Driving.
And then the basement is to the right. Right there's the ducts.
Oh, this is the funnel. Okay.
You do that?
Yeah. Yeah, I need the wire is here. Okay, so I need everything, put in new lines.
Everything.
Yeah. New lines, everything.
It's only 2 bedrooms on the main floor. On the main floor. See, they cut them off.
Yeah, I got everything around.
I don't know why.
Okay, I stole that wire. Yeah, so need the whole hole here.
There's no wires going over.
Okay.
Oh, this is a room too.
Whole house I need electric plugs,
Yep.
switches and lights.
So, yeah.
Okay. I see the house. So give me like a half hour to give you the price.
When can you do it?
Maybe if you want to let me talk to the price and you want to maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. Whatever.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow or after tomorrow. You want to use the same light or different one?
Is it more?
Yeah, but you want to use this light or different?
How much are those?
That one is like I have it Home Depot like $17.
Damn, for one light?
Yeah.
No.
But maybe in Amazon is more cheaper. I don't know how
That's a
much
lot.
Amazon.
Because you're going to need a lot of them, right?
Yeah. I don't know. Some people like too many light, like 4, 6. Some people only like 2, 3, whatever it is. Is your
Okay.
house is for rent? I don't know.
No, I'm saying, so if you do these, is it going to cost me more money from your
No,
neighbor?
no, it's the same one.
Okay, well, we can do those.
That one. Only the price is like said.
I'll do those then. I'll
Okay.
find them on Amazon or something.
Okay. So how many you want here?
6.
6. 6 here in this room?
6, and then in each bedroom, we could do 4 or 2. I don't know. 4, 3,
Maybe here is fine 4.
4. Okay.
4.
4, 4,
4.
6 or 8, maybe 8.
Right. Right here.
That's a big room.
Uh-huh.
So maybe 8, 4, 4,
4.
and then here, 6, and in the bathroom 4.
6 is 12. 4, 5, 16 and 12. That's 28. And 42. 42 lights. And upstairs, the same one, or you want to change the same lights?
No, up there you can just leave it how it is.
Okay. 42 lights here. Okay, so give me like an hour or half hour, I give you the price. You say okay, so start maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. Alright?
Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow good. I'll be out of town next week.
Yeah.
DTE, they won't come out until it's hooked up.
Oh,
I mean, they came out, but they said they needed that in the back hooked up first.
yeah, you need to put in the wire.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh.